Hi, my name is Rico. I'm from CRN Solutions and I'm the Chief Evangelist Officer for my company. At times I'm the Chief Entertainment Officer because my job is about helping people to get more value out of SharePoint. The extreme end of SharePoint, where our customers use SharePoint as an application fabric to build all kinds of applications. So one of the biggest challenge is to help them overcome this disbelief that SharePoint can be powerful enough to run their business application and be a mission-critical platform. Because we have been working with companies like Coca-Cola, Prudential, Malaysian Airlines, large global organizations which uses it for mission-critical system. So it's easier for us, but for a small company who just have document libraries and lists and small internet, it's going to be a tough job for them to imagine the real richness and power that SharePoint brings. Oh, it's more than just money. It's about time, it's about control. For Webparts 360, we make SharePoint into an application fabric that unravels like a tree so that you can see every bit of your software asset and allows you to actually drill right into each and every web part zone and configure the system. So it's just not about, it's about owning your application where you have total control over your entire system. Webparts 360 focus is about the 360. In fact, we only have 3 web parts. A web part that does input, process, and output, which in many ways is everything that you need to build SharePoint. The 360 is about a framework around web parts to make sure that when you put application together, you have a single store of all your assets, all your components in your system, so that you can move and migrate it to new versions and also to new servers. So the whole idea is that you can build once and reuse many times. And we are one of the few companies that provides this whole concept of an application store such that people can essentially build applications and pretty much let people just like offload it and install it in their own instance to do their own procurement, project management will happen. Very much like the way you use an app store in iPhone. SharePoint is all about being dynamic. The ability that SharePoint gives is agility that is still very much in control. So it gives users the opportunity to not etch their business process in stone, but to create it with the agility that is required to compete in an ever-changing market. This is my 11th SharePoint conference that I've been to, and I simply love it because it is a place where if you work with SharePoint, you actually feel loved, because the people will come up and shake your hand and tell you what a great stuff you're doing, or at the same time tell you, what more you need to be doing. So if you are ever want to be in the SharePoint community, want to be in the SharePoint market, SharePoint conference is the place for you to be relevant in the marketplace. And besides, it's a great place to meet with one of the smartest and most enthusiastic people in the IT space.